Hello, everyone. Hi. Thank you for the opportunity to present our research today in Rome during this International Conference of Healthcare and Biological Science Research Association. This presentation is based on my dissertation research. I'm Rotem Epstein, a PhD student at the University of Haifa, Israel, supervised by Professor Anat. Our title, The Young and the Restless Sleep Patterns and Mental Health in Adolescence, a bidirectional perspective, already leads us to think about how our teen schedule look like. Restless, right? And if you're familiar with the series name, The Young and the Restless, I can guess your age, which means that when you were a teen, your schedule was very different. No late night scrolling on your phone, no social media, and probably a lot more sleep. As a mother of teenage girls, I understand firsthand how challenging teen sleep can be. Today, we'll discussing the bidirectional relationship between sleep patterns and mental health in adolescents. Our focus is on understanding how these two factors are interconnected and influence each other. We will explore how sleep and mental health navigate the open water of adolescence. Sometimes swimming in open water smoothly together, but other times being pulled in different directions by the currents, and how these ongoing dynamic impact on our teens' lives. And yes, at the end, I might share a little mom wisdom from my own experience. Okay, let's dive in. Adolescence is a time of rapid biological, psychological, and social changes. During this period, sleep plays a vital role in supporting brain development and emotional regulation. Insufficient sleep and mental health problems during adolescence are becoming more prevalent, and the relationship between sleep and well being underscored the importance of understanding how these two factors influence each other. The circadian clock located in the hypothalamus regulates our sleep wake cycles over roughly 24 hours. This biological system is influenced by various factors, including light, hormones, and brain maturation. During adolescence, biological changes lead to change in sleep wake patterns, such as later bedtime, often leading to misalignment between internal clocks, social needs, and school schedules, which can all risk mental health. And let me tell you, this is so different from what we remember about our own teen years. Today's era is full of stimuli, like screens, social media, and constant notifications that make it even harder for teens to wind down. You can't really blame these teens. They're living in a world that's designed to keep them awake. Teenagers grow, they tend to go to bed later, sleep fewer hours, and show more day to day variability in their sleep patterns. These changes result from hormonal shifts, brain development, and social influences. Unfortunately, they increase the risk of sleep deprivation, mood swings, and behavioral problems, which affect overall well being. Research shows a two-way connection. I'm sure some of us might be even more familiar with this one. Poor sleep increase the risk of anxiety, depression, and emotional regulation difficulties, while existing mental health issues can disrupt sleep quality. Our study is a part of a larger longitudinal project. We examined 118 adolescents aged 13, collecting data through questionnaires on sleep habits, anxiety, and behavioral difficulties. Data collection took place at home after obtaining parental consent as well as a child agreement to participate in the study. Our finding revealed significant associations between sleep and psychological health, specifically higher anxiety level, as you see here, measured with God, were associated with shorter sleep duration, earlier wake up time, and daytime sleepiness. Teens with more behavioral problems reported later bedtime and more social jet lag, as well as more daytime sleepiness. Poor and insufficient sleep was associated with behavioral emotional problems, marking both internal and external symptoms as correlates of problems. Increased anxiety is linked to shorter sleep, later bedtime, and to daytime fatigue. These associations are concerning as they risk daytime functioning and psychological well being. Clearly, falling asleep during lessons interferes with school performance. Moreover, sleep problems and behavioral emotional difficulties often exuberate each other, creating a cycle that impair emotional, social, and academic functioning. Importantly, these findings highlight the deep and pervasive interrelation between sleep and emotional well being and point to the fragile interface of sleep and behavioral during adolescence. The bidirectional link between sleep and psychological adjustment emphasize the need for careful attention to both for supporting optimal functioning. Holistic perspective targeting multiple domains and their interaction is a key for effective intervention for improving the mental health for adolescents. From a practical standpoint, promoting healthy sleep routines like keeping consistent bedtime, reducing screen time before bed, and creating a calm, device free environment can do wonders for improving sleep quality and mental health in teens. For educators and caregivers, I would suggest encouraging teens to stick to regular sleep schedule even on weekends, especially on weekends, emphasizing the importance of sleep as a part of overall well-being. It's just like telling them your brain and mood will thank you for that. Just like when they're scrolling through Instagram and find that motivational meme, only this time it's actually true. And for parents like me, here is my mom tip. If you want your child to sleep better, try making the house dark or turning off bright lights at least an hour before bedtime. Trust me, you will be amazed how much easier it is for them to wind down and how much earlier everyone might actually get to sleep. Thank you all for listening, and I hope that the research-informed insights help support healthier sleep and improved well-being for our teens. Oh, one last thing. If you know a teenager or you have one on your own, and this is how their Mondays often look like, I recommended sharing with them the take-home message of this presentation. Thank you again for your attention and time, and have a wonderful day.